Natural skincare is becoming increasingly popular. People are turning away from chemical-laden products and seeking gentler, more wholesome alternatives. This shift is for good reason. Using natural ingredients can provide multiple benefits. They are often more gentle on the skin, reducing the risk of irritation and allergic reactions. Moreover, they are environmentally friendly, and it is cost-effective. That is, it saves you money. But the benefits do not stop there. Natural ingredients are packed with nutrients that can nourish the skin deeply. They often have properties that can address various skin concerns, making them a versatile choice for skincare routines. Let's talk about riceberry, a type of rice known for its rich purple color. This hue comes from high levels of antioxidants, which are crucial for combating skin damage. Riceberry is also rich in vitamins, including vitamin E and B vitamins. These vitamins are essential for skin health, helping with cell regeneration and repair. This makes riceberry great for rejuvenating tired skin. Additionally, riceberry has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce redness and swelling, making it particularly beneficial for sensitive skin. Overall, riceberry can improve skin texture and tone. While riceberry is the star, other ingredients play vital roles. Honey, for example, is a natural humectant, meaning it helps retain moisture. Moisturized skin looks plump and healthy. Aloe vera is another key ingredient, known for its soothing properties. Aloe can reduce skin irritation and inflammation and also provides a cooling effect, making it great for summer. Coconut oil is also beneficial, rich in fatty acids that help nourish and hydrate the skin. Coconut oil can also help maintain the skin's natural barrier, crucial for keeping the skin protected from environmental damage. Creating your own Riceberry face wash is simple. You only need a few ingredients. These ingredients are easy to find and affordable. Here is what you will need: 2 tablespoons of ground riceberry, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, and half a cup of distilled water. First, gather all your ingredients. Make sure they are fresh and natural. Using high-quality ingredients will yield better results. Next, you will need a clean bowl and a spoon. These will be used to mix your ingredients. Make sure they are sanitized to avoid contamination. Start by grinding the riceberry grains. Use a blender or a grinder. Grind until you get a fine powder. This will be the base of your face wash. Next, add the honey to the ground riceberry. Mix well until fully combined. Honey will add a smooth texture. It will also enhance the moisturizing properties of the face wash. Then, add the aloe vera gel and coconut oil. Mix until the mixture is even. Aloe vera will provide soothing effects. Coconut oil will add an extra dose of hydration. Finally, add the distilled water. Mix thoroughly until you get a paste-like consistency. Your DIY Riceberry face wash is now ready. Transfer it to a clean, airtight container for storage. Using your Riceberry face wash is easy. Start by wetting your face with lukewarm water. Lukewarm water helps open your pores. This allows the face wash to cleanse deeply. Take a small amount of the face wash. Apply it to your face in circular motions. Be gentle to avoid irritating your skin. Focus on areas prone to oil and dirt buildup. Massage for about 1 to 2 minutes. This will help the ingredients penetrate deeply. After massaging, rinse your face with cool water. Cool water helps close your pores. Pat your face dry with a clean towel. For best results, use the face wash twice daily. Morning and night routines are ideal. Consistent use will reveal healthier, more radiant skin. Enjoy your natural glow with this simple DIY Riceberry face wash. Please like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell for more beauty tips. Thank you for watching.